How to add a gift card on Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a gift card on Roblox. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Roblox and this is where you will get. Now you just have to click on these three lines and it will open up the menu for you. And here, what you have to do is you have to go to gift cards right here. So I'm gonna click on shop gift card. So first of all, we have to enter the name to whom we want to send the gift card. So I'm gonna enter their name. Let's say I wanted to send to my friend Anna, and this is going to be my name. Click on pick a gift card. So we can select a digital card or a physical card as well. So I'm not going to be sending a physical card and it also has like a handling fee. I'm going to go with a digital one. So we have to select the currency and it's going to be USD. Click on send a digital card. Okay, so we have to select what kind of card it is going to be. If it's going to be a birthday card, occasion, congrats, maybe seasonal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send her a congrats one. So this one is going to be you're out of this world. Okay, it looks nice. I'm going to click on how much. So this is where you enter the amount for your gift card. Whatever amount you want to give them, maybe like $150, $75 or anything. I'm going to go with $50 and we can select the quantity as well, that how many cards you will be sending. Of course, I have 50. So if I go with 2, then it's going to be 100. And then we can also add a message, any message. So I'm just going to say congrats. And then where is it going? And here I have to enter their email address, confirm their email address, and then add a delivery date. So when you want to send them, for example, if it's a birthday or any occasion, you can select a specific date as well. So I just want to send her like maybe tomorrow. So I'm just going to select the tomorrow's date and then I'm going to click to add to cart and this will be added to my cart right here and I will just check out, pay those $50 and send a gift card to my friend on Roblox. This is how you can also go ahead and add and create gift cards on Roblox really easily. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.